Welcome to CS1030, Foundations of Computing. If this is your first semester in college, then welcome to Weber State. If this is your first online course, I want to give you a tour of our course management program called Canvas. You're going to find everything that you need to successfully complete this class in Canvas. All of the assignments with the instructions and the submissions, all of the quizzes, all of the exams, even your grades are going to be available to you in Canvas. Obviously, you've gotten into Canvas because you're listening to this recording, but we're going to start from scratch. You can get to Canvas by typing in canvas.weber.edu, or you can get to it from the eWeber portal. And so the Canvas credentials are your Weber portal credentials. Now, teachers at Weber State University are not required to use Canvas, which means that not all of your courses may be listed here. But if you click on the courses link, you're going to see a list of all of your current active courses that have been published in Canvas. On the dashboard is a link that will take you to all of the recent activity that's taken place among all of your classes in Canvas. The calendar link will take you to a wonderful calendar that posts all of the due dates for all of your courses. It is only as reliable as the due dates that have been assigned. And then there is a very simple email client that you can send and receive email messages. What I'm going to have you do is come up to Account. When you click on Account, this is your personal account for all of Canvas. And if you click on Settings, it's going to allow you to set up some different ways that you may like to be contacted. Under the ways to contact, you can add your email address that you check frequently. You can have text messages sent to your phone. Once you have set up one or more ways to be contacted, I'm going to have you click on the notification link, and it's going to show you a list of things that you as a student in Canvas might want to be notified of. One of the things that I want you to find is announcements. Whenever new announcements are sent out, I want you to pick one of the ways that you have set up to be contacted and make sure that you check it to notify me as soon as possible. Because I'm going to be using Canvas extensively in this online course, and I will be posting out a number of announcements, it's important that you are receiving those announcements as soon as possible. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to this particular course. So I'm going to select this course, and it's going to take me to this individual course. It will always come up to the home page, which is set up to include modules for each one of the chapters that we're going to cover. There is a link that is the syllabus and the tentative schedule. We'll come back to that. There is a link that will show you all of the announcements that have been published in this class. I'm pretty sure that I published an announcement about Office 365. And so if you're not receiving the announcements yet, you can click on this link and it will take you there. If you click on the assignments and the quizzes link, it will show you all of the assignments and quizzes that have been published so far. I'm going to change my view to be a student view so that we can see. If I click on assignments, it will show me the assignments that have been published in the class so far. I will be publishing modules at the end of each week. And so this list of assignments and quizzes is going to grow as we move through the semester and as more and more modules are published. If you click on the grades, it's going to show you your current running grade in this class at any one given moment. It looks like I currently have 100%. I am getting an A in this class. I can see that I took the Syllabus Quiz and I scored 100% on it. If there is a dash by the assignment, that means that it has not been submitted. If there is an icon that looks like a piece of paper, that means that it has been submitted but not graded. And if there is a number beside it, that means that it has been graded. This also shows the different categories that your grades are going to fall under, and we'll talk about that more in our when we discuss the syllabus. All right, so the next few navigation links are discussion and discussions, collaborations, conferences, and chats. You can collaborate with any person enrolled in this class, be it students or instructors, just through these different navigation links. I skipped Box. This is a tool that will allow you to use your free online cloud storage. As a student here at Weber State, you have a certain amount of free cloud storage in a program called Box. And if you sign up for Box, then it will allow you to connect to your Box cloud storage and automatically allow you to see all of your files. The People's Link will show you all of the students and instructors that are currently enrolled in the class and will allow you to, if you click on their name, then you can see contact information that they have given to the school. So let's go back to the home page for just a minute and see how this class is laid out. There is a Getting Started module, and when you first come into the Getting Started module, there are a couple of things that you're going to want to do. The first link is an introduction, and it will take you to a discussion post where I'd like you to introduce yourself to the rest of the members of the class. I have given you some information that I would like you to provide to us just so we can get to know who you are. If I click back on the home page, it will take me back to that beginning Getting Started module. The next thing that I would like you to do is to review the syllabus, and then you're going to take a syllabus quiz. This is a timed quiz, but you can take it as often as you need. You will have to score at least 18 points out of the 20 points in order to pass it. And once you pass it, it will unlock Module 1. Prior to that, you'll be able to see Module 1, Chapter 1 module, but you won't be able to access any of it. Once you've completed the syllabus quiz and it unlocks Module 1 or Chapter 1, then you can begin working on these assignments. There's also 2 additional resources in the Getting Started module. There's a Help I Am Lost discussion post. If you click on this, you can ask questions to the entire class, teachers and students. You can read through other people's questions and answer questions that you know the answer to. This is an excellent place for you to go if you have questions that you don't know how to be answered. And the next one is a link to some resources for CS students. If you click on this, it's going to give you some pertinent information about Microsoft's free software product that they like to give you through DreamSpark and through Microsoft 365. And it's also going to, if you click on the CS Network Access, it's going to take you to our Weber State CS Department's webpage, where you can find out all kinds of information about the different networks that are available to you as a student in the CS department. So I'm going to go back to the home page. In order to be able to take the syllabus quiz, I should probably review the syllabus. So we're going to stop for now, and when we come back, we will talk about the syllabus and the tentative schedule.